Hello student, a very warm welcome to BEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher. So we have already started our term 2 book A, and we have started in this book chapter 4, that is food and health. So as in the previous live class we have already started our chapter 4, that is food and health, and we have also learned why food is compulsory for us and why we need food. So because food gives us energy. Also we have talked about the nutrition in food. So we all know that they are different. If food, a diet which is containing all the nutrition, that means it is a healthy diet, and our food contains different types of nutrients like carbohydrate, vitamins, proteins, minerals, fats. So first of all we have to talk about what is nutrition. So in the previous live class I have also explained that nutritions are the substance, they are the special substance which provide our body with energy, as well as they help us to grow, plus they and also they protect us from different types of diseases. So these are the nutritions. Now one by one we will talk about each and every nutrition. So first of the nutritions which we have, that is carbohydrates. Okay, carbohydrates basically it is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It consists carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So that's why the name of these nutrients are carbohydrates, because it contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Now if we will talk about the different source of carbohydrates, so like potato, rice, cellulose, bread, sugar, fruits, and these are the rich sources of carbohydrates. Okay, now carbohydrates, we can find carbohydrates in two forms. First is sugar and starch. Okay, sugar and starch. Like if we will we eat potatoes, we are taking carbohydrates in sugar form, or if we are eating rice, that means we are taking carbohydrate in starch form. So we can get carbohydrate in two form. First is sugar and second is starch. Okay, so we have talked about, and in the picture you can also see the different sources of carbohydrates from from these types of food we can easily get the carbohydrates to our body. Now we have to talk about what is the function of carbohydrates in our body and why we need carbohydrates to our body. So first of all, and very important, carbohydrate provide our body energy. Carbohydrate provide us energy to work and play. Means if we want to play and if you want to work more harder and harder, if you will not take these carbohydrate rich food, that means we have to always take carbohydrate rich food, so our body will get the energy to work and play. Now carbohydrate, because they give us energy, so these because of this reason carbohydrates are also called as a energy giving nutrition. So if someone asks which type of nutrition is known as energy giving nutrition, so the answer will be very simple, that carbohydrates are known as energy giving nutrients because they provide us energy to work and play. Now what are the rich sources? We have already potato, rice, cellulose, sugar, fruits, bread. These are the rich sources of carbohydrates. Now again I have spoke you that we can easily get carbohydrate in two form. First is sugar and second is starch. Now second type of nutritions we have, that is fat. Okay, as you can see the picture of sources of fat, like fatty meats, fish, cheese, butter, avocado. Avocado is a type of fruit, nuts and seeds and chocolates. Okay, and also the oil. So these are the rich source of fat. Okay, so what fat help us warm? What is the use of fat in our body? So the fat basically help us to stay warm. Whenever we need, our body will be warm, so fat help us to keep warm and our body can store excess fat for later use. This is the quality of our body, that our body always store excess of fat for the later use. Okay, these type of fat are also called as a in energy giving nutrients. But the basic difference between the fat and carbohydrate, whenever our body needs energy, we only get this energy from the carbohydrates. And the function of fat, it keeps our body warm. Okay, so there are two types of fat available, good fat and bad fat. So just because of the bad fat, we became fattier. Okay, we became fat. So always we have to take good fat. So what are the fats? So first sources of fat, so milk, cheese, butter, avocado, nuts, seeds and chocolates. These are the source of fat, and they also called as an energy giving nutrition because they also give the energy. But the main energy whenever we need, it is taken by the carbohydrates, not the fat. And one of the main quality of our body, that our body always store fat for the later use. As the camel store the fat for the later use in its hump, so same our body uh, also store the fat for the later